Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. We are from Pebble 204, and today we will present our project called VX. And next, before we begin, let me introduce our team. First, there are Afif as business analyst, and next, Fajri as front end, next, Tera as UI UX designer, and next, Hani as back end, Devika as back end, and then Dava as back end, also team leaders. And now, let me ask you a question. Have you ever worked very hard on a project only for it to be forgotten? The key is exposure. The more people who see a project, the more opportunities it has to gain recognition and create impact. However, traditional exhibitions are often expensive, have limited reach, little feedback, and can make confusing for visitor. That's why we created VX. VX is a 3D virtual exhibition platform that allows people to explore projects anytime and anywhere. It features achievement for outstanding projects, filtering to help visitors find projects easily, and feedback to connect creators with a wider audience. With VX, exhibition become more interactive, accessible, and impactful. Now, let's take a closer look at VX.
Alright, let's move to our main features. We have 5 core features, each handled by a different role. First, creating exhibitions. This is done by the admin, of course, who manages and organizes all exhibitions on the platform. Second, managing projects, handled by the project leader who manages their own projects on certain exhibitions. Third, giving achievements. This is where the study program coordinator, or KPS, comes in, selecting the best project among all of the submissions. Fourth, interactive 3D exhibitions. The system displays these exhibitions to visitors, letting them to explore the projects in an immersive 3D space. And finally, giving feedbacks. Visitors can comment and like the projects they explore, creating a two-way interaction instead of just a static display. So overall, these 5 features connect 4 different roles into one complete exhibition experience. Moving on to qualities. These are the non-functional requirements that make sure VX doesn't just work, but works well. First, availability. Since this is a web-based system accessed by different users from different places, it needs to run continuously, 24/7 without downtime. Second, performance. Pages need to load smoothly even on a normal internet connection, so users don't get stuck waiting. Third, usability. We designed the interface to be intuitive for first-time users, with consistent layout and navigation, clear feedback on every action, and informative error messages. And last, compliance. The system has to follow data protection and copyright regulations. And that's why we implemented a privacy policy and terms of service, plus automatic watermarking to protect projects from misuse. So these 4 qualities work together to make sure VX is not only functional but also reliable, easy to use, and safe for everyone involved. Next.
Okay, next we can view the interface for the homepage, admin dashboard, next, project dashboard, KPS dashboard, and next, 3 exhibition pages and project details. Next, moving on to the application benefit. First, there is wider promotional rates. Second, genuine feedback and appreciation channel. Next, build a professional identity. And finally, mostly cost-effective.
Here, we show the result of the testing some our feature. We use a black box method. We test directly and validate them with the real user using a questionnaire. So next, so for the testing result, out of the 81 test cases we conducted, 75 passed as expected, while the remaining 6 failed but did not significantly impact the website functionality. Next, for the course mapping for the statistic, we applied during this testing stage through a like-scale user questionnaire to evaluate user satisfaction and validate the application usability. For the data structure, we applied during the project upload process. Multiple uploads are processing using a queue structure in the order they are achieved. For the project management, we applied in the project planning through the creation of a development timeline and the use of Git and GitHub to manage the team collaboration and workflow. For the software design, we applied in the system modeling through use case and activity diagram documented in the SKPPL. For the object-oriented programming, applied in the application development through the collaborative, use the Next or React.js for the front end and the Laravel for the back end. For the database programming, we applied in the database design through the development of an ERD consisting of 10 main table in the MySQL and the presentation of the database schema. For Indonesian education, we applied in technical documentation through the preparation of the SKPPL and final PBL report using academic language and presentation.
Alright, in this demo, I will be demonstration how the exhibition is worked. This is our landing page. In this landing page, we saw a little description about this website. Move into the dashboard of admin. In dashboard of admin can managing the user. The first is the KPS, like adding and disable or enable the status or the account of the user. Alright. Move into the pameran. In this pameran, admin can also add a new pameran. If admin click plus, they can also fill the form to adding new exhibition. And then admin can also delete the project of the team leader. Move into the team leader. In the team leader, they can also edit a project to display in this exhibition. They can also edit the project if they are not okay with their project. They can also edit. Alright. If we click on the exhibition, they can display the detail about the exhibition, like a title, a description, and the total of like and total of the project. If we click start, move into the exhibition. In this exhibition, they can also moving into the booth when the project is. If they are click the project, they can also give the detail of the project, can give the likes and edit a comment, like give appreciation or their project. And next, they can see the demo video from the project also. That's all from the demos.
And then for the results, the first one is the multi-role authentication, and then admin dashboard, project management, interactive 3D exhibition, and then comment and like feature, and then best project selection by QPS, and then search and filter by keyword, and then build with React, Next.js, Laravel, and MySQL. And then the conclusion of our presentation is we success implemented all 5 features from main feature 001 to main feature 005 and 14 use cases. And our team gained deeper full stack 3D rendering and API architecture skill. And then for the last, Flex is expected to become a more professional and accessible publication space for Polybutton student PBL works. And then if we have said anything wrong, we sincerely apologize. Thank you.
Thank you for your attention. That's all from our presentation. And then see you later. Goodbye.